Okay, good evening students. Today we will solve a problem of the Cartesian product. So what is the question is asked? This is the question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 5, that means A is a set having the elements 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, 4, minus 1. Then find A cross B and B cross A. Find the number of elements in A cross B and B cross A. This is from exercise 1.2, question number 1. So if you don't have the exercise or you are not aware of the book, so this is the question I have written for you. So the question is, if A is equal to 1, 3, 5 and B is equal to 2, 4, minus 1, then find A cross B and B cross A. Find the number of elements in A cross B and B cross A. Okay, now we will do the solution. So what is given? Given A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Okay, and B is equal to 2, 4, minus 1. Okay, so now we have to find A cross B. A cross B is equal to 1 will be 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, minus 1. Again, now we'll take this second element, that is 3. See, it is given here A cross B. So A is the first here. A is first here. So we have to start with A. Okay, the first element, the first number of every pair should be from A. Okay, so again we will start from 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, minus 1, 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 5, minus 1. Okay, so this is A cross B. So remember one thing, that in A cross B, the first in a pair, in every pair, the first number in the pair should be from A, because we have started from A. Here A cross B. So first, which set we have to consider? We have to consider the set A. Therefore, in each pair, the first number in each pairs, the first number should be from A. So let us take this pair 1, 2. Okay, the 1 has been come from this set A, and the 2 has come from the B set. Okay, similarly in every pair you can see that the first element, suppose this element, pair 3 has come from here, from set A, and 4 has come from set B. So in every pair the first number should be from set A and the second number must be from set B, because first we have A. Okay, now we have to find B cross A. Okay, B cross A. In B cross A, what happened? In B cross A, in each pairs, the first number should be from B. Okay, because first we have B. So in each pairs, the first number should be from the set B. So first, what we have 2, 1. Okay, then 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. See, in each pairs, the first number of every pair in each pair should be from B. Now we have to consider 4. So 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4, 5. In this pairs also, the 4 this 4, the first number from each pair is from B, because we have in the first we have B. First we have B, so in each pair the first number should be from this set B. Okay, now it will be minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 comma 5. Okay students, so in here also in each pairs the first element, that is 2, 4, minus 1, all are from B. First we have to take write the elements of B, because here it is written a B cross A, first B. Therefore in each pair the first element should be from B. Okay, now we will go to the second part. Find the number of elements in A cross B and B cross A. Okay, so what is the number of elements? So for that I will rub this board, and so to find the number of elements, first we have to write the number of elements in set A. Na is equal to 3 and Nb is also equal to 3. So N A cross B, that means the number of elements in A cross B is Na into Nb. Always use the formula to find the number of elements, okay, in A cross B or B cross A. So Na into Nb, so Na is how much? 3 into Nb is 3, so 3 3 is 9. Again similarly Nb cross A is equal to how much? Nb into Na. So here Nb is 3 into Na is 3, so 3 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. I hope you have understood. If you don't understand, you can tell me in my number, or you can send me over WhatsApp. Okay, students, thank you.